Hello everyone and welcome back to my English classes. Please do like and subscribe my channel as I am being motivated by your subscriptions and comments. Thank you everyone. Now today we are going to see the explanation of class 6 chapter 8 from Honey, a game of chance. Now first I want to ask you one question that did you went to a fair? मेले में आप कभी गए हैं? You must have seen so many shops, public is there, and you see variety of things. Now in this lesson there is an occasion of Eid and the fair was there in the village. Now I'll read the paragraphs and then I'll explain you in detail. Every year on the occasion of Eid there was a fair in our village. Eid was celebrated only one day, but the fair lasted many days. Yes, fair एक दिन के लिए नहीं लगता है. Fair 15 दिन, 20 दिन, 10 दिन के लिए लगता है. भले festival was only for one day, but the fair was for few days. Tradesmen from far and wide came there with all kinds of goods. फेयर में लोकल लोग ही नहीं रहते हैं बल्कि बाहर से भी लोग अपनी गुड्स को लेके आते हैं टू सेल देम. You could buy anything from small pin to a big buffalo. Now in the fair you can see varieties, as I have told you, varieties from small things to bigger things. Uncle took me to the fair. Bhaiya, who worked for us at home, come with us. Now the character has came with his uncle who used to work with him in their own place. There was a big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. Now in the fair many times it happens that we meet few people who are known to us, so we gather together in a group and then we move on into the fair. The same thing happened that uncle met his friends and all together they went to the fair in sight. Uncle asked me whether I could like to look around the fair with Bhaiya till he came back. I was happy to do that. Uncle warned me neither to buy anything nor to go too far out while he was away. Now here uncle has sent the writer with someone and he gave instructions to him not to go far off and don't buy anything from the fair because कभी-कभी fair में गलत चीज़ें भी मिल जाती हैं. So he promised and he asked for promise to wait for him to buy the things. Bhaiya and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to buy, but I waited for uncle to return. Now here the honesty of the boy was this, that he waited for the things to buy because his uncle has warned him and he has given him he has taken the promise from him that he will not buy unless uncle is not there with him. Then he came to what was called the lucky shop. लकी शॉप क्या होता है? गेम होता है जिसमें वो आप रिंग्स फेंकते हैं तो जिस पे आपके सामान पे पड़ जाती है दैट इज योर लकी थिंग यू गॉट फ्रॉम दैट. The shopkeeper was neither young nor old. He was a middle-aged man. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. He wanted everybody to try their luck. Now अब जैसे दुकानदार होते हैं अपनी चीज़ों को बेचने के लिए लोगों को बुलाते हैं, तो in the same way he was calling people to try their luck. There were discs on the table with numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All you had to do was to pay 50 paise. Now to play that game they have to pay 50 paise. कि pick up any 6 disc. जो गोल गोल होता है ना, सो रिंग्स होती है, उसको डिस्क बोलते हैं. तो उसमें 10 में से कोई 6 डिस्क उठानी थी. Add up the numbers to the disc and find the total. उसमें क्या था कि उस डिस्क में नंबर्स था, उसको ऐड करना था, उसका टोटल निकालना था. आर्टिकल मार्क्ड विद दैट नंबर वाज योर्स. और जो टोटल का जो नंबर निकलता था तो टेबल पे जो उस नंबर पे जो भी चीज़ होती थी दैट वाज द थिंग यू गॉट इट. An old man paid 50 paise and selected 6 sticks. He added up the numbers on them and found the total was 15. Now one of the player was an old man who took the disc with him and he played and he counted and the number was 15. He was given the article marked 15, which was a beautiful clock. Now The total number was 15, and on the 15th number there was a beautiful clock. But the old man did not want a clock. The shopkeeper obliged him by buying it back for 15 rupees. The old man went away very pleased. Now he replaced the thing from the old clock, as the old man didn't want the clock. Then a boy a little older than I, means little bit elder, tried his luck. He got a comb worth rupees 25 paise. The shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad. He bought the comb from the boy for 50 paisa. The boy tried his luck again. He now got a fountain pen worth rupees 3 rupees. Now यहाँ पे देखिए गेम में क्या था, 50 पैसे देके उसको 3 रुपए का पेन मिल गया, ओल्ड मैन को क्लॉक मिल गई. That is why it is called a lucky shop. Then he tried third time and got a wristwatch worth rupees 25 rupees. When he tried again, he got a table lamp worth more than 10 rupees. The boy was happy and went away with a smile and a good deal of cash. Good deal of cash in the form of materials: watch, pen, table lamp, and so. I want to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me. I paid 50 paisa and took 6 days. My luck was not too good. I got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paise. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of ink, also of the little value. The shopkeeper bought that too for 25 paise. I took a chance for the third time. Still luck was not with me. ना इसके साथ क्या हुआ, इसके साथ लक इतना अच्छा नहीं था कि उसको घड़ी मिल जाती या कोई बड़ी चीज़ मिल जाती, उसको छोटी छोटी चीज़ मिली. That is why he is saying that my luck was not very good. I had hopes of winning a big prize and continued to try my luck again and again, paying 50 paisa each time. But every time I got a trifle. At last, I was left with only 25 paise. Again, the shopkeeper showed his kindness. He said I could either play once more with 25 paise or settle the account then and there. मतलब उसने क्या, वहाँ पे शॉपकीपर ने क्या किया, उसने भी कहा कि 2 तरीके से कर सकते हैं, या तो आप पैसे एडजस्ट कर लीजिए या चीज़ों को ले लीजिए. I played again and the last 25 paise also disappeared. Now the last 25 paise was also disappeared, means he didn't get anything from that last 25 paise. People were looking at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Now here, कभी कभी जब हमारी लाइफ में कुछ नेगेटिव्स होते हैं तो कुछ लोग मज़ा लेते हैं, कुछ लोग एंजॉय करते हैं हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स को देखते हुए. But there are few also who gave us something sympathy not. But here, people in the crowd were laughing at this boy because of his bad luck. And nobody was there to sympathize him that okay, it happens and so. So he was discouraged by this thing. Presently he came, he looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. What is the matter? अब यहाँ पे जब अंकल आ गए तो उन्होंने पूछा कि क्या बात है भाई, तुम इतने दुखी क्यों लग रहे हो. I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what had happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and patted me. Patted means thapthapa ke bola. He took me to the shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits and sweets and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. Now, to make the boy a little bit happy, Uncle has brought a beautiful umbrella, biscuits, sweets and other little gifts so that he can be motivated and didn't look sad. Back home, Uncle told me that the lucky shop man had made me fool. No, Uncle, I said, it was just my bad luck. Then he explains him the situation. No, my boy, said Uncle, it was neither good luck or bad luck. But Uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting 2 and 3 costly things. You didn't know, child, Uncle said. Now, as the boy explained the uncle that the other person, the old man and the boy elder to him, got so many things, but uncle now here tries to explain him the fullness of making fool of people, of the shopkeeper. You didn't know, child, uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. अब उन्होंने क्या समझाया कि जो ओल्ड मैन था और जो वो लड़का था वो उसके फ्रेंड्स थे. दे वर प्लेइंग ट्रिक्स टू टेम्प्ट यू टू ट्राई योर लक. टेम्प्ट मीन्स उत्साहित करना. अरे अरे कर लो. जैसे कभी कभी आपका मन होता है फिर आप कहते हो नहीं नहीं हमें नहीं करना, बट कुछ हमारे दोस्त होते हैं, कुछ लोग होते हैं, अरे नहीं नहीं कर लो, अच्छा होगा. इन द सेम वे दे वर ट्राइंग टू टेम्प्ट. दे वॉन्टेड योर मनी एंड दे गॉट इट. अंकल ने क्या कहा कि तुम टेम्प्ट हो गए, तुम मोटिवेट हो गए, तुम खेलने लग गए और तुम्हारा सारा पैसा चला गया. नाउ फॉरगेट अबाउट इट एंड डोंट टेल एनीबडी ऑफ योर बैड लक और योर फुलिशनेस. Now, uncle told the boy not to tell anything about the negative thing that has taken place and not about the bad luck of the boy. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.